In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to find your wish list on Amazon. Whether you're browsing for your own shopping needs or checking out a friend's wish list for gift ideas, accessing this feature is incredibly straightforward. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Account and Lists menu. This is your gateway to numerous account-related options, including your wish lists. Hover your mouse over this Account and Lists menu. As you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options to choose from. Now focus on the left side of this drop-down menu. You'll notice a section titled Your Lists. This is where Amazon organizes all your created lists, including wish lists, shopping lists, and any other lists you might have set up. If you have multiple lists, you can easily navigate between them right here. Next, click on your list to get an overview of every list you've created. This is particularly useful if you have multiple lists and want to quickly browse through them all. Here, you can see the names of your lists, making it simple to identify the one you're interested in. If you know exactly which list you want to view, you can select it directly from this section. Once you've clicked on your list, you'll be taken to a page where you can see all the items you've added to your selected list. This page gives you the flexibility to manage your list, add new items, or remove items you no longer need. It's a great way to keep track of products you're interested in, whether for personal purchases or as a gift registry. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily find and manage your wish list on Amazon. This feature is not only convenient for keeping track of items you'd like to buy in the future, but it's also a handy tool for sharing your preferences with friends and family. Whether you're planning ahead for the holiday season, a birthday, or just keeping an eye on your favorite items, Amazon's wish list feature keeps everything organized and accessible. Thanks for watching this quick guide on finding your wish list on Amazon. We hope you found it helpful and that you now feel confident navigating your lists. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy shopping!